myself, Rati Kankonkar, that is Rama's wife, and Fidol Bhai were called by the PI, Vijay Kumar Chodankar. We happened to go and talk to him. So we asked him for the updates because we know that our colleagues, other activists like Shankar Polji and आमचे दुसरे friend जे आसा पळय, along with even Amit Padekar, and all are gone to Margaon magistratean गेल्ली, as Rama was been summoned there today morning. So after going there, we have come to know, आमकां updates मेळ्ळ्या की ताका खंय already आता judicial custody दिल्ली आसा of 14 days remand. So judicial custody with 14 days remand means now our colleagues are supposed to come and we are going to start with the procedure of the bail. So I mean bail application galpasa. Yes, of course today being a Saturday, court proceedings are not there. We will not get the judge at the chamber, and we understand why he was been arrested yesterday. The whole plan was like, always when you want somebody inside behind the bars, जेलीत कोण जाय जाल्यार Friday, Saturday, Sunday तांचे सदांचे आसता, पूण देव आमचे बरोबर आसा, जेजू आमचे बरोबर आसा ते सांगला तशें आमकां आतां कळ्ळां की when the judge has already given 14 days remand and judicial custody, we are going to apply for Rama's bail, where we'll have to go to most probably Mapsa, judgeकडे वचप, and then we asked Chodankar Bab, the PI of Panjim, whether he will be giving us the say. He has told, of course, let Rama apply for the bail. We are apply करून येवनी आपण say दिता. So I think most fortunately आमकां luckily by afternoon evening Rama will be out. Satya prevails. Truth prevails. And last again I'm saying, Raman dacoity घालूना, चोरी घालूना, खंयचेच राना, दोंगरा, खंयची शेतां, कुंदात लँड, कोणाचे रेप करून आसले, खंय सावंतवाडी, दोडामार, खंय प्रॉपर्टीज घेवन धरून आशिल्ले. सो ताका हें करपाक लँड ग्रॅबर व जॉब स्कॅम आसा व रेपिस्ट म्हणून तो गोंयकारांक लागून आवाज उठयता म्हणून आमी सांगला तशी आमी सदांच आवाज उठयतली. वी विल नॉट सप्रेस. आनी एक सांगता लास्ट, रामा इज स्टील फर्म दॅट ताका बेल नाका, ताका जेलान बसपा जाय म्हणून. बट आमचे काळीज आयज तुटले, आमचे एक्टिविस्टांचे काळीज तुटले. कित्याक स्वता रामाचो बापूय आयज पुलीस स्टेशना भायर आयलो, स्वता रामाची आवय आयज आयली, ताजी बायल आवय बापूयनी तुटली. दे ब्रोक डावन एंड दे क्रायड, एंड वी टोल्ड father and mother, even if your son doesn't want to know, we will not let Rama be behind the bars, because we cannot, this is unacceptable. It is democracy, what is spoken, democracy aspak jai. Last, CM, if we can take criticism, you are also a public figure, what is there to take criticism? Rama is not come and robbed your house, or dacoity galuna, or molestation koruna konacher. He had just said it with the anger and flow. So I think this should have not been such a blown up issue. There were more important issues. Anyways, democracy is there, constitution right to, everyone has the right. We stand by it, and nobody can suppress our voice. We will continue our fight for Goa and Goans. Thank you.
मॅडम तुमकां कितें म्हणपाचें आसा?
ना तो प्रतिमा मॅडमी सांगला तेका आतां सध्या 14 days कस्टडी दिलेली आसा आनी तेका आतां तेंच्यांनी कोलवाले झेलून व्हेला. तर आमी बेलाचे प्रोसेस चालू करता आनी आमकांय जाय तो भायर येयलो, कित्याक तो भायर आसत जाल्यार तो सेफ आसा आनी गोंय सांगोंक पावतलो.
We want him out any which ways, and आता शंकर येता वाटेर आहा, कित्याक ते गेल्ले तेजे वारात आनी आमकां हिंगा राव म्हणलें, कित्याक लोकांकूय बी आमी उलो मारलो. So they are on the way, and they will be in a better position to explain to you what exactly and give you in detail information तुमकां मेळटलें. So we are going to give a bite later. As all activists, we are going to get together and give a bite together.
Thank you.